Gemstone Sunstone. Sunstone is a member of the feldspar group. Both the orthoclase and the plagioclase feldspar species boast a sunstone variety. Other feldspar group gems include moonstone, non-phenomenal orthoclase, phenomenal and non-phenomenal labradorite, and amazonite. Sunstone from Oregon is gaining attention as a natural and untreated product of the United States. Sunstones contain hematite or goethite inclusions which reflect light in parallel orientation and create a sparkling sheen in gold to brown color shades. These gems may be oligoclase or labradorite in composition and are much admired as a cabochon material among hobbyists. Labradorite with aventurescence cast by copper inclusions is known as Oregon Sunstone and is described in a separate gem listing. Very fine material is not abundant and is hard to obtain. Sunstone is a beautiful gemstone that belongs to the feldspar mineral group. It is known for its captivating play of colors and shimmering appearance. Sunstone is highly valued for its unique optical phenomena, including adolescence and the Schiller effect. These properties make it a popular choice for jewelry and ornamental purposes. Sunstone gets its name from its warm and radiant colors, resembling the sun. It is typically found in shades of orange, red, brown, and yellow, although it can also occur in other colors such as green and blue. The stone exhibits a unique iridescent effect known as adolescence, which creates a glowing or floating light effect as the stone is moved. This optical phenomenon is caused by the reflection of light from microscopic inclusions within the crystal structure of the stone.